and gentlemen, that was some music from the 90s. Right now, to prove that we are truly a variety band, we're going to play some music from Motown. Probably a lot of you have been asking, gee, why is it that the band is playing songs so very, very short? And there's a good reason for that, everybody. By playing songs very short, that means that over a normal 4-hour wedding reception, we can play over 11,000 songs. So, no, we play them short because we don't have a lot of time. We want to get the fashion show going. But right now, too, once again, what, big band? Right, okay, somebody requested big band over here. We're going to do some big band music for you. Everybody, we want everybody to snap your fingers. Snap your fingers. But we gotta hear you. There's probably 1,000 people out there snapping that one hand. And if you snap both hands, that means we'll have, how many hands will we have snapping? Oh, it'll be a lot. It'll be well over 1,000. You know what? We do a lot of big hands. That's nice. Feel like in a jazz club, don't you? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Lord, my heart beats so yearning. Why did I decide to go? Gotta take the sentimental journey. Sentimental journey home. Sentimental journey home. Thank you so very much, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for the Ritz! Thanks very much, Skip. Tell us, what kind of wedding reception would it be if you didn't have love songs? someone so unforgettable, thinks that I am unforgettable too. Now, big round of applause, everybody. Weren't that long songs just wonderful? Right now, Mr. Skip Green. Over here, you know, we work with you on the formalities as far as all the things you need and you want, as far as the introductions of the couples and the removal of the garter, throwing of the bouquet, and all those kinds of things. And for your special bridal song, we can learn the song for you. For you being the special couple. Right now, we are working on a song that we've had a tremendous amount of requests for. We're working on that now. We want to find out how many people are going to have this song as their bridal dance. It's the theme from Star Trek, The Next Generation. How many people are going to have that? All right. Okay, well, you know what? All right, we won't learn it then. We'll learn a different song for you if we don't already know. Right now, speaking of songs that we know are going to be popular next year, country music. Yeehaw! Let's hear a big yeehaw from everybody. Well, we don't do any country music. Well, you know, we just can't win up here. But we're going to try and do country music for those that want some. And here's some country music for you.
I love the way you love me. Strong and wide, slow and easy, hard and so completely. I love the way you love me. Well, he told us to go. Come on, baby, let's go. Let's go. Hey, hell, that blackjack, baby, meet me out back. We're gonna boogie. Oh, get down, turn around, go to town, boots, scoot, boogie. I said, get down, turn around, go to town, boots, scoot, boogie. Mr. Bruce Tribbett.
I'm sorry I've got to bring my cowboy hat, but that's just too darn bad. You know what that is? That's music from Hustle. And what happens, everybody, is that the band will take a break at reception, and hopefully we'll try and keep it under the 85-minute mark when we take a break. We do that. So what we can do is we play a lot of pre-recorded music for you, and if you have some special music that you'd like us to play, we can do that for you too. For example, who can forget the haunting memories that come from this special melody? There we go. Yes, this is that special haunting memory that evokes every time you hear it, right? How many people know how to do this? Okay, if you can get up and do it right this minute. Remember, this is being videotaped, and we're going to be selling that one, folks. We can help you with all. Thank you, Dave. Thank you very much, Dave. And now, staying with it, kind of music here, we've got some traditional music for you, everybody, right now. Okay, do that again. 2, 3, 4. If I can make it there, I'm gonna make it. I jumped a little ahead of myself. That was Mr. Ken Shepard doing the finest version of Ethel Merman that you know the line that you want to. And you can sing along at the ending of New York, New York too. Here we go. It's up to you, New York, New York. We know that, ladies and gentlemen, we've been up here and being a little bit silly at times, and that's really to kind of entertain you and hope that you remember who we are, and we can kind of temper our show for whatever your needs are. So if you want us to be a little bit more on the witty side, we are a little bit more lively, but if you want us more subdued, we will act just that way. Maybe. You never know. So we're gonna right now do some party music from the 50s and 60s, 70s. Here we go.
Just take those old records off the shelf. I sit and listen to them by myself. Today's music ain't got the same soul. Not like that old time reggae. You shake my nerves and you rattle my brain. Too much love drives a man insane. You broke my will, but what a thrill. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. You know you make me wanna shout, kick my heels up and shout, throw my head back and shout, put my hands up and shout. You know you make me wanna shout. Do you like good music? Yeah, that's the reason so good music. Yeah, yeah, to the whole of this reason. Yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, we're from the Robert Thomas Agency, and they're located at booth number 7. Be prepared for a fabulous, I mean a wonderful, really class fashion show coming up for you in just a minute. On behalf of Mr. Mike Wills on guitar, Mr. Brian Mark back here on the bass, Mr. Rick Thompson back here on the drums, Mr. Joe Niccolo on the saxophone, Mr. Ken Shepard on the trumpet, Mr. Jerry Zorch Benato back here on the keyboards, Miss Brenda Miller doing the vocals, Mr. David Olson running the sound. My name is Pierre Cardin, everybody. We'll see you later, Winter
Hey, we're not done yet. Where are we going? All right, we had to do that in a rehearsal.
the song I just wrote yesterday.
Yes, I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love for you. For you.
Made me leave my happy home. You took my love and now you're gone. Since I fell for you, girl, you are to me all that a woman should be, and I dedicate my life to you always.
Hey, I spent all my life for you, and now you're here. I don't know much, but I know I love you. That may be all there is to know. Gonna take a sentimental journey. Gonna set my heart at ease. Gonna take a sentimental journey to renew old memories.
Going to Kansas City, here I come. They got some crazy little women that I'm gonna give me some.
Spanish eyes. I had the last waltz with you. Two lonely people together. If I can make it there, I can make it anywhere. It's up to you, New York, New York, New York.
1, 2, 3, 4, come on, baby, say you love me 5, 6, 7 times.
You're addicted to love.
Straight up, now tell me if it's gonna be you and me together, or am I caught in a hit and run? Straight up, now tell me if it's gonna be you and me forever, or are you just having fun?
Wake me up before you go. Keep me hanging on like a yo-yo. Now wait a minute. I feel alright. Every time I think about you, you've been so good to me. You know you make me want to shout.
Do you like good music?
Yeah,
That sweet soul music.
yeah.
Just holding and squeezing, yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
R-E-S-P-C-T, find out what it means to me. R-E-S-P-C-T, take out P-C, free, freedom. Freedom, 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 freedom.
You gotta give me some loving.
Give me some loving.
Give me some loving.
Give me some loving.
Give me some loving every day.
It has been our pleasure to play for you. Thanks for watching our video. We are the Ritz.
One of our premier bands. Ladies and gentlemen, sit back, relax, and get ready for some true entertainment. And give it up for the Ritz!
Thank you.
let's turn right back over to Mr. Skip Reed. Thanks a lot, Bruce. Let's hear it again for the Ritz. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks, Skip. A little big band music for you from the 1940s era. Right, this time we'd like to do a few selections of love songs for you.
Just once, and we find a way.
more standard traditional type music for you.
Going to Kansas City, Kansas City. You got some crazy little women here now gonna get me.
Spanish Harley.
I see. It's a dream. Red roses too. I see them blue. Only and you. And I think to myself. Wonderful world.
If I can make it there, I'm gonna make it. That was Mr. Ken Shepard singing What a Wonderful World. It's the best Ethel Merman you'll ever hear, right here. So sing along with me, here we go. It's up to you, New York.
for the Ritz. Thanks a lot, Skip. Hi, everybody. How you doing? We are the Ritz, and we're a big band. We do, speaking of big band, that's going to be our first song up here, but we do a wide variety of music, everything from the big band 40s through the top 40 of today. Right now, back here on the drums, we'd like to introduce our drummer!
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. John Brooks.
Mr. Paul Chapman on the trumpet, Mighty Joe Niccolo on the saxophone, the Ritz horn section. Thanks, everybody. You know, we do like to have a lot of fun when we're playing on stage, and part of the fun we have is when the audience helps us out, and it looks like a lot of you folks out there are going to have a good time at your reception. And I think a lot of you probably can sing. I imagine. Why don't you help us out on a song like this?
You, my brown-eyed girl, do you remember when we used to say, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la?
Come on, everybody, sing it out.
Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la.
Let's hear you. Let's hear the brides and grooms going to have a good time at their reception. Let's hear you sing. All right, we're going to help you. Here we go.
You, my brown-eyed girl.
This is Zach James singing that song. You know, we've been doing this for a long time, and with certain songs, we do some certain things up here on stage. So at your reception, you're going to be dancing, you're going to be talking to some folks, but every once in a while, kind of take a look up on stage, and you might see things going on like this.
It's time to go home now. I've got an aching head, so I hand her the car keys. She helps me to bed, and then I tell her,
Help us with this.
as I turn out the light,
Thank you.
we've just begun to get a share of this world. Still, I hope ahead for the future, and I goes inside. Though we don't get depressed, here's what we call our golden rule. Everything you and the things you do, you won't go wrong. Oh no, this is our family too. We are where we, hey, 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 yeah. I got all my sisters, hey, 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 hey. Got all my sisters in me. Sing.
Give it a tag.
Give it up for the Ritz.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them blue for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Help me out.
Who's tripping, ladies and
All my friends, those low riders, low riders, rise a little higher.
Oh, she's a black house. Oh, she's my turn, just letting it out, hang out. She's a black house.
You know, I think some of you are probably asking the question, gee, why is it that, why is the band's playing songs so short? And of course, the obvious answer to that is by playing songs short at your reception, we can play over 7,500 songs.
Mr. Marco Rigatini.
Get prepared to sing one more time.
I feel alright. You know you make me wanna shout, kick my heels up, shout, throw my hands up, shout, throw my head back, shout, come on, shout. Ladies and gentlemen, you're gonna have to shout, but you're gonna have to do some singing. Cause I'm up here all by myself. Shout. Now I'm gonna do this one time, and you just follow me. That goes little diaphragm move, all right? Shout. Follow me out. Here we go. Come on, everybody. Hey, 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 hey. Not bad, but we're gonna do this one more time, but you gotta keep this in mind. Don't forget, in your lifetimes, you got very special days coming up this year, ladies and gentlemen. If you're gonna make it work, and have a wonderful relationship the rest of your life, you need to reach down and sing. You got to testify. Are you ready to testify? Are you ready to testify? Here we go, one more time. Help me out. Hey, 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 hey. Jump up and shout now. Jump up and shout now. Jump up and shout. Jump up and shout now. Jump up and shout now. You know you make me wanna shout.
Marco Rigatini singing that song.
Thank you. That's all I ask of. Kimberly McTaggart and Bruce Trivet, ladies and gentlemen.
Here we go with some 90s swing for you.
Back into when I'm there to get a pair.
jump jiving, then you ain't gotta jump jiving, then you ain't gotta jump jiving, then you ain't away. You gotta jump jiving, then you ain't 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 away.
Right into it.
You gotta give me some loving. Give me some loving. Give me some loving. Give me some loving. Give me some loving every day.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, on behalf of the Robert Thomas Agency, it has been our pleasure to play for you Zach James on guitar, Marco Rigatini on the bass, John Brooks on the drums, Don Dale on keyboards, Kimberly McTaggart on vocals, Joe Nicolo on the saxophone, Paul Chapman on the trumpet. We got Mr. David Olson running sound. We got Mr. Dave Shelton running sound. And thanks again to Greg. My name is Bruce Trevitt. Everybody take care. Have a good time. Stick around for the show.
Have a great day. God bless you, everybody. Thanks. I was alone.
I took a ride.
I didn't know what I would find there.
And the road,
Maybe I could see another kind of sign there. Ooh, when I'm starting to see you.
ooh, when I tell you I need you every single day of my life. Gotta get you into my life. 'Cause when I'm bad, I'm so bad. So let's dance, the last dance, let's dance, the last dance, let's dance, the last dance tonight. Looking for some hot stuff, baby, this evening. I want some hot stuff, baby, tonight. I want some hot stuff, baby, this evening. Gotta have some love, gotta have some love tonight. Go now, go, walk out the door. Just turn around now. You're not welcome anymore. Were you the one who tried to break me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? No, you're not. I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. Got all my life to live, got all my love to give, and I will survive. I will survive. Hey, hey. For all those times you stood by me, for all the truth that you never see, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrongs that you made right, for every dream you made come true, for all the love I found in you, I'll be forever thankful. because you love me. Oh, I'm everything I am because you love me.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them blue for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Just like Pagliacci did, I try to keep my sadness in, smiling in the public eye. But in my lonely room, I cry these tears of the past. In this lonely behind
So Savannah, I've been trying to get to you for a long time. Cause constantly you've been on my mind. Expressway to your heart. Expressway, that's the best way. It's 5 o'clock. Too crowded. Much too crowded. Too crowded. Much too crowded. Too crowded. Too crowded. Too crowded. Expressway to your heart. Expressway. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive.
I'm broke, but I'm happy. I'm poor, but I'm kind. I'm short, but I'm healthy. Yeah. I'm high, but I'm grounded. I'm sane, but I'm overwhelmed. I'm lost, but I'm hopeful, baby. When it all comes down to is that everything's gonna be fine, fine, fine. 'Cause I've got one hand in my pocket and the other one is giving a high five. All right. Woo.
As you brush your shoes, you stand before your mirror. Then you comb your hair and grab your coat and hat.
And don't walk the street trying to remember, yeah, all those bright night streets through the mind. And everything looks so complete as you're walking down on the street, and the wind that catches your feet sends you flying, diving. Wild night is coming. Ladies and gentlemen,
sing. I just wanna love you, but